Welcome. In front of me is an ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button, and when you have your boot options visible, hold power off. As you can see, this changes into reboots to safe mode, which we will confirm by selecting OK. So reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it automatically will enter safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. Neither you nor the device can start it up, and this is done for troubleshooting purposes. And there we go. So you can see we have safe mode right here, and all the applications that look like this, the grayed out ones, are the ones that will not work in this mode. Once you're done with safe mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would do is hold power button and select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically will enter normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.